गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। आज आपका नया चैप्टर शुरू होगा, फाइबर टू फैब्रिक। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you know that what is fiber. Fibers are very thin thread like strands from which fabrics or clothes are made. Strands from which fabric or clothes are made. It means it has great importance in our life, as different useful things are made from this fiber. So fabrics which is made from fiber has great importance in our life. हमारे दैनिक जीवन में फैब्रिक का बहुत महत्व है, क्योंकि यह भिन्न भिन्न चीज़ों को बनाने में इसका उपयोग होता है। Some common examples of fibers are cotton, wool, silk, flax, jute, nylon, polyester, etc. Among these examples, ये जितने examples दिए गए हैं, if you observe it, you will find that or it may be classified into two categories. Some of them we get from nature, so they are grouped under natural fiber. As for example, cotton, jute, these are wool, silk. These are the natural fibers because we get from nature. It is not made by man, but made by nature. So these are the natural things, natural fibers which you get from nature. And on the other hand, there are another group of fibers that is made by man. Man-made things are artificial. It is also called as synthetic fiber, as it is made from different chemicals by using different chemical substances. बहुत तरह के केमिकल सब्सटेंस को लेकर और ये आर्टिफिशियल और सिंथेटिक फाइबर बनाया जाता है, जिसका भी हमारे दैनिक जीवन में बहुत उपयोग है। और both natural fibers as well as the synthetic fibers has great importance in our life. Natural fibers but in this chapter we have to study about the sources. Natural fibers may be of plant sources and the animal sources. So जो नेचुरल फाइबर्स हमें प्लांट से प्राप्त होता है वो प्लांट सोर्स हो गए, और जो एनिमल से प्राप्त होता है वो एनिमल सोर्स हो गए। तो हमें इस चैप्टर में एनिमल सोर्स के बारे में ही ज़्यादा पढ़ना है। तो वूल एंड सिल्क, these two fibers are or we get from animal sources. यानी हमें ये फाइबर्स हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? एनिमल सोर्स से मिलता है। तो अब वूल पर चर्चा कर लें हम लोग। वूल कम्स मेनली फ्रॉम द एनिमल्स लाइक sheep, goat, yak, camel, llama, etc. Sheep is the common source of getting wool. So the different animals are in the nature, from the hair of that animals we get wool. And wool is very important for us because many winter dresses are formed or made by this wool. Wool protect our body against cold during winter season. It keeps our body warm as it is an insulator. It acts as an insulator, and this wool helps in protecting our body against cold. So the other sources of wool are yak, found in Tibet and Ladakh; Angora, a varieties of goat found in hilly region of Jammu and Kashmir; Kashmiri goat, very soft and high quality of woven into fine shawls called pashmina shawl. So pashmina shawl is we get a special type of wool from a goat, especially found in Jammu Kashmir region. Only the certain area found in Jammu Kashmir where these wool producing goats are found. Now, how can we get wool from fibers? So, the different steps or processings take place from the conversion of fibers to wool. Following steps are involved. There are 6 steps involved in getting wool. First, step 1, that is called shearing. First of all, you know what is fleece. Fleece the fleece provides woolen fibers, then it is processed to obtain woolen yarn. यानी जो वूल का धागा होता है वह हमें फ्लीस से प्राप्त होता है। और फ्लीस हम किसको कहते हैं? जो हेयर होता है शिप या वूल प्रोड्यूसिंग एनिमल्स का, उसको हम फ्लीस कहते हैं। द फ्लीस ऑफ द शिप अलॉन्ग विथ द लेयर ऑफ स्किन इज रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम द बॉडी। दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड शियरिंग। अब इसको ऐसे समझिए आप, यानी जो हेयर along a thin layer of skin is removed from the sheep, yak or any goat or wool producing animals, that process is called shearing. So the first step is shearing. Shearing is the removal of hair along with the thin layer of skin, that is called shearing. Now the second step, now the sheared fleece, जो भी शेयरिंग करके जो प्राप्त किया गया, दैट इज मिक्स्ड डस्ट, डर्ट, ग्रीज और सर्टेन अदर impurities are also found or attached with this sheared wool. So sheared hair are cleaned and washed to remove dirt, dust and grease. तो डस्ट और ग्रीज को रिमूव करने के लिए this is called scouring. So scouring is the process. Scouring is the second steps involved in the processing of wool. In scouring, the sheared fleece is washed in a tank containing soaps to remove the dirt and grease. That is, it is a cleaning process. It is a cleaning process. Thereafter, the step third. In this step, sorting is done. Sorting is the process of separating the fleece into sections according to quality of fibers. Sorting means classifying them on the basis of such as fine, coarse, कौन पतला है, कौन मोटा है, कौन लंबा है, कौन छोटा है. It means it is removed or it is divided into different categories. Sorting is done on the basis of characteristic features. That characteristic features may be fine and coarse, long and short, etc. So sorting is done. The first step is shearing, second is scouring, third one is sorting. After sorting, the small fluffy fibers called burrs are picked out from the hair. Burrs are soft fluffy fibers in wool. The fourth step is the separation of furs. Fifth one is, now the fibers are dyed. Dyed means मरना नहीं, dye, dy, dye, color करना. So you know that the main color of the wool which we get from the different wool producing animals are black, brown or white, but we get different type of coloring is there. By this, in step fifth, the fibers are now dyed or in various colors as the natural fleece of sheep and goats is black, brown and white. तो उस नेचुरल कलर को हम आर्टिफिशियल कलरिंग करते हैं. यहाँ क्या हुआ? आर्टिफिशियल कलरिंग. Coloring is there. In step 6, the fibers are straightened. Straight means सीधा करना. तो straightened and combed and rolled into yarn. अब यहाँ क्या हुआ? इसको स्पन करके धागा बना के सीधा करके धागा और यार्न के रूप में बना दिया गया. और दिस yarn is rolled into wool. Finally, we may conclude that the sheep's hair is sheared off. First step from the body. Second is scoured. Scouring is there. Thereafter, sorting, classification on the basis of characteristic feature, fine, coarse, short, long, etc. Thereafter, coloring, dyeing is there. They are combed and finally spun to get wool. So these 6 steps takes place to get wool from the wool producing animals, or fiber is converted into wool fiber. थैंक यू. आगे के क्लास में अब सिल्क और लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ सिल्क होगा और कुछ क्वेश्चन आपको होमवर्क में देंगे बाद में. थैंक यू.